Hello, this is Ashley rolling with the O-Fields. I wanted to bring you today another review. I just got this one in. It is Ellen Wille. Ellen Wille from the Changes collection. And this is Touch in the color Sandyblonde Rooted. Okay. I actually got her on the Wig Studio One Steals and Deals that they do in the Facebook group. And so I'm excited but nervous, and you're going to see my first impressions with me. Okay? Oh, goodness. I've already got something coming out of the box here. Okay. So, before I completely open her, let me tell you, this is Ellen Wille, Flirt in Champagne Rooted. So, and I will do a full kind of review on her, but you can see her. So, let's take a look at Touch. All right. So, Sandyblonde Rooted is one of my most favorite colors. It looks super natural on me, at least. So, first things, we do have the lace front right there. We've got the mono part and the extended nape, which I always love. I do feel the metal stays in the ear tabs, so that is good. Now, for those of you that have been following me, you know me and Curly maybe don't get along so well, and also me and Long don't get along so well. So we're gonna try this one because I want so bad to have long curly hair, and I don't know. So first impressions, it maybe looks a little bit thin. You can kind of see the wefting through there. Hopefully that won't be visible once it's on, but let's try it. Let's see. All right, sorry about that. My light just shut off. Awkward. Okay, so, well, she's full. A little bit fuller maybe than I was kind of expecting, especially right here. It seems like this front part is pretty full. Get her adjusted correctly. Okay, so that part's a little full, but, well, she's definitely not my short, kind of sleek styles. I don't know. I don't know what to think right now. I'm so used to shorter straight that this one's I'm not sure. Okay, so let's see. Let me look at the back here and see. Okay. Definitely kind of long, but all right. So what I will do is turn around. Well, I'll show you the lace front first. You can see a good bit of it right here. And then of course my bio hair, which I usually pull some out anyways. The cap does feel maybe a bit smaller just because the coverage from there to, well, there's the top of my ear, but usually they tend to come down a little bit further. Shouldn't be a problem, but as long as you kind of keep your hair down. But I'll turn around so you can see this one. So you've got the front, obviously. Let's see. What if I put this over here? Does that look better? Okay. All right, you've got my left side. The back, and then my right side, And then back to the front. Okay, there's some little flyaway hairs. I don't know if you can see them. But, okay. So, first impressions. I love the color, obviously. This is a color that I love. I don't know if, for me, personally, the long, curly looks good. I don't know. I mean, she's cute. Still kind of getting used to it, I guess. Because it's so much different from the others that I have been wearing. So, she'd look really cute doing that. I don't know. I feel like maybe this part here needs to be thinned out a little bit. At least for me. And I will say also, at least other Ellen Wille wigs that I have, here's Flirt, of course, these fibers are super soft. So super soft. You just want to curl up with them. And this one is not. It's very kind of straw-like. It almost feels like dry shampoo has been sprayed on it. So it's not super soft and fun. But, you know, sometimes that happens. Definitely kind of need to loosen up some of this. Of course, I didn't really shake her before I put her on. And of course, I don't like super puffy, fluffy, so, I don't know. I mean, she's adorable. She's super cute. Is this one that I would wear all the time? I don't know. But at least you can kind of see. You can make that call for you. Like I said, she's adorable. I love the length. I love the swoopy bang right here. And it's not too much. It's just, you know, to there, and then the rest of it kind of comes down. So it does have nice face framing. But, yeah, I'll turn around again so you can see. Now that I've been playing with her a little bit. Of course, it's hard for me to see the back. But, anyways, you'll let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you like and subscribe. I've got a lot more coming. As like this one, I just got her in today. She was on my front porch when I got back from getting my daughter from school. So I had to try her on real quick because I was super curious, excited, nervous, whatever. So anyways, I will see y'all later. Bye.